Hey you guys, how y'all doing? Happy Tuesday. Today I'm making for Charles' lunch is bacon ranch spinach dip stuffed in chicken and some asparagus. So watch how I make it. First, I got some spinach dip. I am fixing to steam it, and then we're gonna get the rest of the stuff together. But let me go steam this spinach dip. Okay, I'm finna pat dry this chicken, and I'm finna season it. Let's dry this chicken. Make sure it's okay. Now pat dry the chicken, so let me season this chicken with Miss Netta and Charles chicken seasoning. Season it up. I got some garlic as well. Some accent seasoning. And some black pepper. Ooh, Lord. I almost opened up the wrong email. Okay. Alright. Then I'm just going to, rub this chicken around in the season. Okay. And as I'm waiting on my spinach to steam so it can get very tender, I'm going to put some Gouda cheese in the spinach dip as well too. So I got me some Gouda cheese. Let me shred some Gouda cheese. And I'm also going to put it on top of my chicken as well too. So I'm killing some time. I'm shredding up my Gouda. Okay, you see I didn't shred up that much. I'm not going to put that much cheese in the dip, but I shredded up some Gouda cheese. And let me go check on this. Okay, as I cut it up my cheese, I got my crispy bacon that I'm fixing to cut up while I'm letting my spinach cool off. Because I'm putting chicken, bacon, and ranch. So I'm cutting up bacon to put up in the dip. Okay, the bacon is finally cut up. So let me put the bacon inside of the pan with the cheese. And let me get ready to go and check on this spinach. Okay. Okay, now my spinach has cooled off. So let me get this spinach, this tender, good spinach, get this water up out of it. Let me get this water up out of it. Much water as I can. Ooh, there's a lot of water. They say you can just take it and squeeze it. I'm trying to do it with the napkins. Keep plenty of them. I'm gonna get it. Make sure I get this water about this spinach. Okay. Much of the water as I can get. But y'all know it's still gonna be some water left over in it. And that whole pack is just this much spinach. Alright. And then after that, I just take the spinach and I'm just going to cut it. Just cut on it. It's not dry, but it is wet. So I'm just cutting it. Okay, and as I cut it, it just, look just like this. So now, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to put it in the bowl. Just put it in the bowl just like this. Okay, the next step is after we got the Gouda cheese in here, the spinach, the bacon, I'm gonna use 1 block of cream cheese. Room temperature cream cheese. And I'm going to use a couple spoons of sour cream. Okay. And I'm going to use ranch pack. I told y'all it was going to be chicken, bacon, and ranch. Some ranch pack for the seasoning. I ain't gonna put the whole pack in. I'm start putting just a little bit, sprinkle a little bit first. And then I'm gonna stir it. Okay, just stir it up together. I'll mix it all together. See what it's looking like? Get that cream cheese all stirred up. Okay, it's looking gooder and gooder. See what it's looking like now? Let me see, do I do some more ranch? Let me see. Maybe just a little bit. Just keep stirring it. Okay, just keep stirring it. And this is what it's gonna look like. It's what it looks like, y'all. So let me get ready to bust open this chicken and stuff it. Okay, well, let's get the stuffing. I'm gonna open up the chicken. Open up this big side. Just stick a hole in it. And then just go on through the chicken. Just like that. Don't hit the other end. Okay, and just get your little good pouch going. So you got the hole in the chicken. Okay, get your good little pouch going. And take it. Kind of like spread. I'm like spreading it so I can get it all up in there. And just get you some, let me take out some of these toothpicks. Get you a nice little spoon. And just take it and stuff it in that chicken. See how I stuff it in that chicken? Just stuff it in that chicken. Just stuff it on in there. Stuff it on up in there. Okay. Then after you stuff it up in there, just take it. Get you some toothpicks. Like you just sewing up your shirt or something. Get your toothpick. Like you throwing up your thumb. Okay. Voila. See how I stuffed in there? And then you just take it. Lay it in the pan. Lay it on in that pan just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, well, I stuffed this chicken with this spinach dip, and this is what it looks like, y'all. So now it's about to go in the oven. Okay, you guys, I've taken it out the oven. It is done. Y'all see what it looks like? It's what it looked like. So now what I'm about to do now is I'm about to sprinkle a little cheese on top of it. And I'm going to put it back in the oven and let the cheese melt. So let me sprinkle a little of this. Oh, Lord, the Gouda almost went on the floor. Let me sprinkle a little of this Gouda on top of it. You like that? You like that? If it gonna fit on top of here. I'm just putting a little bit on top of it. Put a little bit more on this one right here. gonna make it stick on that. Coconut. Okay, now I'm gonna uncover it, keep it uncovered, and I'm gonna let this cheese melt on top of it. And then after that, it'll be done. So y'all, spinach, bacon, and ranch stuffed in chicken. Here it goes. All right then, Charles, your spinach, bacon, and ranch dip wrapped in chicken is ready. Mmm.